How to fix camera or webcam not working on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like your camera or webcam not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your PC or laptop. So for that, click on Windows icon and as usual you can search for the settings here. Alright, so after you find it, open the settings. Okay, so from the settings section you'll got such interface. So from your at the left hand side of your screen you'll have to click on privacy and security. Alright, so from the privacy and security you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like camera, so simply click on that camera option. Alright, so from the camera section make sure that you have turned on the options like camera access, and after you turn on it you can easily find a lot of application or website that is accessing your camera, so you can easily manually turn on or turn off this from here. So you have to just turn on all of the application or web which are using your camera from your PC or laptop, and after you turn on all of the settings from here you can easily fix your camera or webcam not working on your Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.